Let's talk about versatility. Versatility out on the water is super important. One, because you want performance, but two, you need the comfort and the comfort features that your family loves and needs. This is the Sea Ray 25 SDX outboard, and this is the most versatile 25 footer on the market today. The 25 SDX blends perfectly the creature comforts and the performance aspects that everybody is looking for. It's almost like that Mercedes of the sea. It has the power, but it's also got that super smooth and comfortable ride. Starting at the back, this is where your performance is coming from. This is a Mercury V8 Verado 300 horsepower outboard, which means that you're getting the speed, the pickup, but also the reliability and the ease of maintenance. Now going into what the family loves and needs, we have this massive aft sun pad. This is one of the most favorite spots on the boat when you're hanging out at the anchor, hanging out at the mooring, or even the dock. We have a freshwater shower on that port quarter. We have the Fusion stereo puck back there as well. That way you don't have to bring your phone with you. You don't have to get up and go to the helm to change the music. You are able to control the tunes right from there. As we move forward, we have this nice starboard side walkthrough into the cockpit. And as you come into the cockpit, you see we have a massive L-shaped seater over here that is synonymous with the Sea Ray name. We have the modular backrests as well that flip forward and backward. That way, if you are hanging out at the anchor, everybody can be facing each other, hanging out, having a good time. And that also goes for the captain. The captain is never just completely secluded. You can face each other and enjoy each other's company. Something that I love that Sea Ray has done is that in the backs, we have dedicated cup holders and wireless chargers. I know wireless chargers can be tough when you're especially moving, which is why they perfectly placed USB-A and USB-Cs throughout the entire boat. As a captain myself, what's important to me is comfort at the helm, especially if you're going for those long trips. This is what makes the Sea Ray 25 SDX so versatile. Push the button, the whole backrest slides back. When you are sitting in the seat, in the captain's chair, you are actually sitting pretty darn low, which is nice because your eye line is not encumbered by the top of the windshield that you will see among other brands. It's one of my biggest pet peeves. We also have a nice Simrad unit here. We have trim tabs, and my favorite, the electronic throttle. It also has active trim. So the active trim is going to take that trim in hand, the angle of the outboard out of your hands and make it as efficient and as performance capable as possible. A part of the new SDX lineup redesign with Sea Ray, we're getting this starboard side console and enlarging it. Rather than making both port and starboard the same size, they are really leaning into making the most out of space. So open the door, and nice and easy, you open the top, you have a ton of space for storage, you have a large head for a 25 footer, and you have a nice sink. Now your port side console is going to be dedicated for your stereo. Do not worry, the Simrad is intertwined with the Fusion stereo, so you can control the music from the captain's helm and your passenger, adding another glove box with even more USBs. And as we make our way up to the bow, we have even more storage underneath, which is going to house your teak, cockpit table, and bow table. Of course, we have the foldable windshield, and then we also have the bifold air dam. The way Sea Ray has enlarged the starboard side console has given you even more bow seating. So as you make your way up, you're going to have the common, well-known 2 chase loungers in front of each console, but you're also adding an extra forward-facing seat by doing that. So one person sits in front of the console, and you have a whole nother space for another body there and another body there. What you'll see with most 25, 26-foot bow riders on the market today is you only get 2 full forward-facing seats up in the bow. This is everyone's favorite spot. Maximize seating. Lastly, as you can see, we have this gorgeous top. We have these steel bars going all the way up and around. That's your water sports tower. It's really good for your water skiing, your wakeboarding, anything that you want to do out on the water. What it's also nice is that it is a power tower. So that means by the press of a button, it's going to drop down and lower your bridge clearance. That way, if you do have some low bridges in your area, you don't have to worry about it. You're going to gain an extra 2 feet of bridge clearance just by pressing a button. What I do also really like that Sea Ray has opted with this canvas roof. The canvas roof gives you the ability to have more shade. It's going to have more shade area than other hardtops in its class, but it also gives you a little bit of more versatility. Again, you can close it all in towards the water sports tower. That way, if you're looking for sun, you have it. If you're looking for shade, you have it. If you have any questions about the Sea Ray 25 SDX Outboard, please do not hesitate to give us a call. Come on by, check it out for yourself, and we look forward to seeing you out on the water.